The first big trend is globalization, not globalization of markets, which has happened some time back, but globalization of talent, globalization of culture, and globalization of how you work. That's going to be a big, big trend. The second one related to this is collaboration. Even till a few years ago, if you were doing some work, you had teams working maybe in different parts of the world, but they worked on different segments of a problem. Now with new collaborative technologies, and this is what technology has made possible, you can have one team located in different countries which are working on the same problem in real time. And this enables you to not only draw talent, the best talent, let them be where they are, but enables you to work practically 24/7 because you might have a team in the US, one in Europe, one in India, one in Japan, and you cover the world and you get the best talent from each of these places. The third trend is going to be something which is a matter companies have to take note of, which is continuous disruption. Not every few years, but probably every few months, may not be every few weeks, but certainly every few months, you get something new which has come up and it's going to suddenly require you to change things drastically. So the ability to change, to be nimble, to take on new things, to learn, to adapt to new technologies, new ways of doing business, new business models is going to be critical for companies for the future, certainly to grow, but even possibly for survival. The big challenge is that the customers are changing rapidly and demanding more. Expectations have risen, aspirations have risen, and the fact that the customer is now looking for better value, more value for money, a better product, better service, something quicker is a huge challenge. So the big challenge therefore is going to be how do you work with your customers to get feedback and to be able to change your product, your service, your method of delivery in keeping what the customer's changing expectations are over a period of time. I think they live in fabulous times. I wish I were 30, 40 years younger. The opportunities today are phenomenal. The problems are huge, but so are the opportunities. There are challenges. And I would say, hey, come up with a great idea, go out and do it with passion. As long as you do something with passion and commitment and have a little bit of patience, you will get there. There's an opportunity in every field, most of all in technology, to either bring technology to serve and solve a particular problem or to do something in the technology field itself.